Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. You guys can view our inventory always at coloradotrailersinc.com. Send us an email at sales@coloradotrailersinc. And we also ship. So if you guys aren't in Colorado, no worries, give us a call. We can get one of these awesome trailers shipped right to your door. Now, this one that we're looking at right here is a 7x16, again, Colorado off-road trailer. These are meant to be true off-road trailers. They offer you guys about 19 inches worth of ground clearance, set up for multi-use, multi-purpose, so you guys can get a lot more use out of your trailer than just simply hauling something around in it. This one's in our matte gray. It's our thicker aluminum skin, so the trailers will hold up really nice with this thicker aluminum skin. You also have the blackout package. You can see you've got everything all blacked out instead of silver trim everywhere. You do have a front generator box and platform on the front, side swivel jack, removable front coupler as well. Great for adding an articulating hitch. If you would like to do that down the road, you don't have to. It's also great for anti-theft purposes because this whole entire end piece right here pulls out and removes. And again, there's nothing to hook up to at that point. So great anti-theft deterrent. Now you do have a twist lock plug on the front, just like a camper. So you can bring your power into the trailer right there. You will need a generator to bring power in, or you guys can plug in at a campground or use an extension cord or something like that. Does not come with a generator, but it is generator ready. Here is this side of the trailer. And again, these sit up nice and tall. These are about 11 feet in total height because you've got all this additional ground clearance. Now your side door's been moved back on this unit as well, so it's going to give you some extra room if you guys want to do cabinets or do a build out. You also have a step off the side door right here so you can get in and out easy. RV lock and cam bar, double lock protection there. You also have an exterior GFI outlet. That's that little guy. Great if you guys need to plug something in on the exterior. 2 load lights off the side. That's what you guys can see right there. And then we also have our, of course, 32-inch Mudterrain tires with 2 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, and a black American racing wheel. We also do a nice diamond plate fender to match that. Overhead roof rack and ladder there on top. It's an aluminum roof rack and ladder, good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed. Great for kayaks, canoes, those big bulky items that you just want to get out of your trailer. And then you also have stabilizer jacks here underneath for that extra stability. Rear ramp door has a spring assist close, also has a rear deck option on it, so you guys can fold that down and use it like a traditional ramp to load and unload toys, or you can use these additional stabilizer jacks right there and make a deck and have some more exterior space. And then you do have your load lights up there as well, so you have some light on the outside of the trailer. Now we equip these with a battery box and a battery charger. That's that guy right there. This is an awesome little feature because that's going to run your outside party lights right here. It also runs your load lights off of the back, and it runs your interior puck lights. So you don't have to be plugged into a vehicle or have your generator running to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer. And then you do have your 30 amp box right there. That's your breaker. Again, that's when you need to bring 110 power into the trailer. That's how you're going to do it there with your twist lock plug. Now your 110 power, or i.e. your generator, is going to be required to run your overhead AC unit with a heat strip. It's also going to be required to run your 2 4-foot LED lights across the ceiling. And then of course you do have interior outlets in here as well. That will turn all of these interior outlets on. Everything else is going to be 12 volt, all of the other lights. And like I said, those are all ran off of this handy little battery right here. All your light switches are right here. You can control everything. And then the trailer is also insulated. So you've got insulated walls and ceiling, and then it's all finished out in a nice white wall and ceiling aluminum liner. Couple of windows in here. These are a tinted lockable window. It's a slider window with a screen, so you've got good versatility there. And then we also do the overhead maxx air roof vent. Doesn't have a fan in it, but you guys can see it does have the cover back there over it, so you don't have to worry about if you guys leave it open and it starts to rain, water's not going to come pouring in it, which is a nice little feature. Performance Nudo floor. It's an amazing floor, super durable. You've got a water resistant product on the underneath side of this trailer, so it's going to hold up and last a lot longer than what a wood floor will. Here's 2 more sets of D-rings back here. This light switch that you guys see back here is for your load lights, so you can drop that ramp door and have that light at the rear of the trailer. And we're gonna have 80 inches from the floor to the top here at the rear ramp door to give you guys an idea. Interior dimensions, you've got 7 feet from the floor to the ceiling interior. And then interior width, you have about 6'10" or so on the interior. And then we're gonna be at about 1510 in length for your interior dimensions. Exterior overall, you've got your 7 by 16. We just lose a couple of inches again on the interior with the insulation and framing and plywood and whatnot. Weight of this trailer is 3,500 pounds. You guys have a 3,500 pound payload capacity and a 3-year factory warranty. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, off-road trailer, give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. Send us an email. It's the best place to reach us nowadays. sales@coloradotrailersinc.com. And again, we ship if you guys aren't near us. We can get one of these delivered to your door. Give us a call. We can get you a shipping quote to make that happen. And if you guys are watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe. And you guys always have an awesome day.